some fruits. I don't know why there are no apples. There's the entire world.
Not there? Doon, sa may ano, sa handle na sa door.
You forgot na.
Sa door handle. Yan. Okay? Yeah.
Yay!
Scared me. Where shall I put my outfit?
Ano, give me the card now, please.
Where shall I put my outfit?
On the bed.
Hey Clubbies, welcome back to Zayne's Learning and Gaming Club. Today we are in the Diamond Hotel. I went here because that's my mom's gift. Because I graduated from kinder. Now let's get started. I don't know which. You know what? Let's go to the bathroom. So over here is the shower. I don't know if it's a hot shower or not. The sink. The sink is really cold. What's this?
What's that? Oh, it's a weighing scale.
So over here we have some lotion and liquid hand soap. And here's toilet. And if you're wondering why it's really quiet, it's because the TV is on mute. Okay, let's go. Over here is the closet. How do you open it? Yeah, how do you open it?
Just pull it.
One eternity later.
Pulling as hard as I can. Here. We're inside. There's an iron. There's a lot of hangers, bathrobes. I think I'm gonna wear the bathrobes after I take a bath at night. And some slippers. And there's an iron over here. I don't think you can see it.
Okay.
And I think my mom will be really surprised. She'll be, oh yeah! There's a big mirror here. And some water, a cup, and some electric. There's tea, coffee. So here's all our luggage. Come here. Here's a really nice painting. And it's the aircon? Yeah, it's the aircon. This is our side table. So nice. The bed is massive. It's like massive. When we saw it in the Vice, the bed looked so small, but when we went inside, I was like, the bed is so big. And here, I think this is a mini fridge. No. This one's the mini fridge. Nope. Where's the mini fridge? Oh, there's the mini fridge. Hey, we'll stay here. We'll stay here. Whoa, that's cool. Empty. If Tatay brought beer, he could put it in here. He said he wanted it when we were at home. And then he got it. Here's the TV. It can barely reach. Here's another side table. The first thing I wanted to do is dress up, but we're still gonna eat. Okay, here's the couch, and I brought off. Later we're gonna unpack, guys. Here. This is not a house tour, this is a hotel tour. Actually, I think I'll some fruits. I don't know why there are no apples. But maybe we can eat the chips here. And ta-da! Wow! There is the really tiny pool from here. There's the entire world. That is it, the Manila Bay. And the cars from here look like toys. And the people here look so small. I can see a lot of people here in the pool. Here's the table. I need some cocoa. It's a telephone, another telephone, and other things. Follow me! Here is my dada. Oh gosh, all people will be scared of you, my dada. And here's a trash can.
No one's answering na. I don't know if we can reserve for pool.
Okay, that's the end because I really want to roll in bed now. So yeah, bye. See you in my next video. Eating like a boss. Second advice. At the Diamond Hotel. It's been a year since I slept, so I'm really scared. Hi guys. We ordered crab from Papa John. And if you noticed, we are in a hotel. Clubbies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye Clubbies. Always listen to your mom and dad. And don't forget to go to this hotel too. If you're hungry. You want to go to the hotel. Bye.